Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to track any kind of forms by using of element visibility trigger and with the help of Google Tag Manager for Google Analytics 4. So let's get started. Some forms are not easy to track. Some of the form you do not redirect to a thank you page. They cannot be tracked with the built-in form submissions trigger in Google Tag Manager, and even any kind of Ajax form and as well as the any kind of listener code cannot deal with them. So what can we do that? That is our form. We have to track this form by using of element visibility trigger. With the after the fill up, we have to find out the thank you message, and for the thank you message you collecting the message class, and finally we are tracking our desired form with the help of element visibility trigger. Firstly, we have to fill up the form and then submit and find out our thank you message for this form. So we are fill up the all form fields and email, this is the text, and finally click the submit. We are finding our thank you message and copy the thank you message and right click on your mouse and go to the inspect. Here we can see that is our thank you message, and now our main goal is find out the class. By using this class we have to configure our element visibility trigger. So you can see that division class. Here we can see that there is a two class. So we have to pick the first one and back to our Google Tag Manager. First thing first, I have already installed Google Tag Manager, and inside Google Tag Manager I have a Google tag with activate my Google Analytics 4 tracking code. If you have no idea, then I will giving the link on this video description. You can check it out. So now we are creating a trigger. So click the trigger. So then create a new trigger and trigger configuration. We are select the element visibility. And here we can see the selection method. One is ID and second is CSS selector. Copy the form classes. So we are now selected the CS selector. Paste the class with dot, because we know that if you any kind of class in form tracking, you must be put the dot sign. So I am putting the dot and then paste the class, that is WP form configuration container. That will be selected the once per page, that is looking good. And in the advanced maximum percent visibility, we are just putting a 2%. So put the 2 for this form and must be click the observe DOM changes, and our trigger configuration is complete. Now we giving the trigger name, that is event from submission for element visibility. Save the trigger. Now time to create a new tag. So go to tags and the new tag configuration. In the Google Analytics, we are find the Google Analytics GA4 event, because we are tracking for this form for the Google Analytics 4. So here we have to put the measurement ID. So you go back to the Google Analytics 4 and collecting the measurement ID. Go to the admin section and data collection and modification sections. Go to data stream, and that is our website. And here you can see our measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID and back to the Google Tag Manager. Paste the measurement ID in Google Tag Manager. Event name will be the custom event. You giving any kind of name according to your business goal, but my case I will put the only from submission. Triggering, click the triggering. You know that we are already creating a trigger, that is event from submissions for element visibility. Just click the trigger and we are almost done. Just giving the tag name, that is GA4 from submission. Save it. We are already completed our all task. Now go to the preview options and check out that our tag is perfectly fire or not, and as well as the event is perfectly passed to the Google Analytics GA4 or not. So go to preview, continue, and you can see our Google Tag Assistant with our website. Now go to our desired form. That is our form. Now again we have to fill up the all form fields and check it out. Our form submission event is working perfectly or not. Then full name, email, and message, and finally click the submit button. Now we'll go back to the tag assistant, and now we can see that our form submissions tag is fired perfectly. In the left side, you can see our element visibility event. And now go to the tag. Here you can see our tag is fired perfectly. Now we are check out in Google Analytics 4. Our event is working with that or not. Then GA4. Now go to the debug view. Now we can see that in the GA4, our form submissions event is working perfectly. Successfully, we are finally set up our desired form by using of element visibility trigger by the help of Google Tag Manager and the Google Analytics 4. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.